In this video, I'm going to show you how to track email opens in Pipedrive. So to do this, first you want to go to your dashboard and then click here on the top right where you can see your profile icon, and from here go to Company Overview and click on Company Settings. Here you want to go to Email Sync under My Account, and if you scroll down, of course you must have your email sync to be able to do this. So if you don't know how to do that, you have to first go and do it. Now you can watch my video. I do have a tutorial on exactly how to do this. It's super simple. And then you have to go click on your email, and over here scroll down, and under Advanced Settings you have Email Tracking. So it says over here next to it, track when recipients open emails. So you want to turn that off and it's or on, and it's automatically going to be enabled like this and saved. So that's basically what you have to do to be able to track emails. And then what you can do, of course, once enabled, you can then view the opens by the colored eye icon in the Mail tab. You could do that through real-time notifications in the Sales Assistant, or you could also go and basically do like specific deal views and notice that in there. Okay, so that's essentially how to track email opens. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.